Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Afghan Cooks. I'm Mirriam. I'm an Afghan and I cook. You read a lot and you hear a lot about Afghanistan these days. When I was growing up, it wasn't like that. People would say, "Where are you from?" And I would say, "Afghanistan." And they would say, "Where in Afghanistan? Do you even know where Afghanistan is?" Now, everyone knows where Afghanistan is, and when I tell them where I'm from, Kandahar, they have a certain viewpoint of what that means. But I want to give you all a different perspective. I want to take you inside and show you the Afghan culture. I want to give you a different perspective. I want to give you my perspective as an Afghan. I want you to experience what we get to experience being Afghans, not the war and the bombs and the poverty, but the culture and the music and the people and the food. Today we're gonna make something called shorwa. Now, shorwa literally is the word that we use in Pashto for soup.